Diplomats donor concerned about sex abuse reports at World Health Organization. British, European, and American diplomats and donors have voiced serious concern about how the World Health Organization handled sex abuse allegation involving its own staff during an outbreak of the Ebola in Congo, as reported this week by the Associated Press. On Tuesday, the AP published an investigation documenting that senior WHO management was informed of multiple sex abuse allegations involving at least two of its doctors during the epidemic in 2018. Ghatraj says Justice League Director Joss Whedon threatened her career. A notarized contract obtained by the AP showed that two WHO staffers signed off an agreement between the WHO's Dr. Jean-Paul Nagunda and a young woman he alleged impregnated in Congo. In it, Nagunda promised to pay the young woman money, cover her pregnancy costs, and buy her a plot of land. The contract was made to protect the integrity and reputation of the organization, Nagunda said in a statement. The UK has a zero-tolerance approach when it comes to sexual exploitation and harassment, and that extends to an all-international organization that we fund, said Simon Manley, the UK's ambassador to the UN in Geneva. We are speaking with WHO and other major donors as a matter of urgency to establish the facts. Britain is WHO's second biggest donor after the US. The US State Department had no immediate comment. WHO has declined to comment on the specific allegation reported by the AP and said it is waiting for the result of a panel created last October to investigate sexual abuse during the Congo outbreak involving WHO staffers. What's alarming is that WHO seems to be keeping this abuse quiet and not publicly condemning this allegation, said Clara Wenning, an assistant professor of global health policy at the London School of Economics, who has studied gender and funding issues at WHO. There's a lot to talk about giving WHO more money, but I don't think any government should be committing to that until we know it's an organization we can trust. The Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation, the agency's third largest funder, said it expects UN agencies to conduct thorough investigations into sexual abuse as quickly as possible. Our role as a funder is to hold organizations that receive grants from the foundation to the highest standards of transparency and accountability, and to insist that they take steps to prevent misconduct in the future, the foundation said. The World Bank said it is deeply concerned about the new sex abuse allegations at WHO. The bank paused its negotiation with Congolese authorities for new financing to agencies, including WHO, last year, when reports of this general sex abuse during the Ebola outbreak surfaced. We review our relationship with any organization whose standards are in question, to the World Bank said in an email.